Hi everybody, and welcome to another 180 Markets Weekly Wrap. Well, Sean, you always complain that the windows in the office are closed, but there is a window that is opening, and it is the IPO window. And friends, we haven't seen this happen in about 18 months. And we are seeing it, and Asia proper now is validating that with big IPOs this week. Tokyo Metro, about $700 US. Also, China Beverage, about the same price. And also a robotics company in China, which is trading up 40% on their $500 million plus IPO.
Greg, there are a lot of IPOs and a lot on the 180 Markets platform. I'm not bidding on any. I just don't have the confidence yet. But what is amazing, it's 3 years after the crazy IPO run we had end of 2021, IPO after IPO. There would have been about 50. What's happened now to all those IPOs? I don't know if we want to remind you all, but I hope that those that bid into them have sold out. Let's take a look at the 180 Markets platform. Let's start with 180 Markets IPOs. As we can see, there are 3 open, and I don't know anything about them. Do you, Greg?
Well, I do know that one, it's Cleantech Lithium, which is a South American lithium company, and Regal has a very large position, and they're going to follow their own money into it.
Lithium raising money everywhere at the moment. Quite a few closed ones, so hopefully those that wanted to bid got their bids in time. Let's take a look at what was on the platform during the week. Now, HRZ was a 2-tranche placement. They raised money at a 28% discount, and I believe that was very well oversubscribed. EGH, not one that I follow closely. Greg?
No, I don't.
HMC.
Yes.
This one raised 300 mil, and I'm sure you know a little bit about that.
Yes, HMC, a big real estate roll-up chaired by David DePilla. The stock has been an absolute monster, Sean.
That's right. Oncosil. This one has not been an absolute monster.
No.
This one's been a bit of a serial raise up, raising at 1 cent, 7 million. Don't know how long that'll last them. But I do remember this one used to have a different code and run by different people. And I've just gone blank as to what that was.
Yes.
Podium Minerals, they did a underwritten rights issue at 3.2 cents. Now, what I loved about this and why I participated is sub-underwriters didn't get a fee. They got options instead. And I love that structure because you get to share in the upside of the company. Prodigy, PRX.
Yes.
We were the lead manager there. They raised $1.67 million. That was the shortfall from the rights issue. And hopefully this is the bottom for Prodigy.
Yes.
Greg, tell us about Prodigy.
Well, Prodigy, the reason the share price ran massively this week is because they had some great drilling results up in Northern Australia, and it really, Sean, took the market by surprise.
Mark and Jutta, it was a pleasure working with you. And yeah, let's hope some good news hits the market soon. Quite a bit else on there. We can't go through all of it. Let's just check what's live on the platform. And as we can see, just deals. BC8, the boys at Petra going again.
And a big dollar amount, Sean.
$60 million at an 18% discount. And all I've seen this morning is bid. So I guess I should look into it. What else have we got on the platform? Lithium Universe, one we're helping out and leading again. Lithium Universe has not been a great performer, but it is led by Iggy Tan.
Yes.
Iggy is involved with LTEC, ATC, who we helped raise for about a month ago.
That's
and I think we'll take a look at that when we look at movers. But Lithium Universe, what do you want to tell everyone about that?
Well, sure. Very interesting company. They are not a lithium explorer. They're a lithium processor. And that is very, very different. They've already replicated this strategy up in China with Galaxy Minerals, so they're trying to do the same thing in Quebec.
Mithril Resources, another capital raise, but at a higher price. They've done about 4 in the last year, including the relisting one, but everyone at a higher price, so that's great. QXR, and yeah, it's good to see QXR, they raising some money. Let's take a look at the screens. As we said, LTEC, ATC, we helped raise money for them at 4 cents recently, and
Yes.
that came with a free option. So everyone that took that placement is doing amazing. Iggy Tan, my main man, I've
Yes.
spoken to him so many times over the last week or two. Yeah, he's in a lot of things, and Iggy was the man who made Galaxy was it $1 billion company?
2 billion.
2 billion on Iggy. Hope you watching. POL. Now, this one is one that we all held at 180 Markets. We all took in the placement. We all loved in the placement, but we all sold. I don't know why we sold, but we missed this run. I actually think I might have lost money on that. So, yeah, anyway, let's look on to the next then. OVT.
It shows you everyone it happens to the best, Sean.
I don't know if you'd call us the best. Definitely not. OVT Avanti. Now, we did mention this last week. They have had an amazing run. They started at 0.4%, and that's where they did the shortfall. And they raised the money through the shortfall, and anyone that took that is now up 9 times their money. If only I got some of that shortfall. Now, GLN, Greg, we've missed the boat on this.
Yes.
We
This is
both
killing me.
We both like the stock. We both liked the stock. I think we both liked it at higher prices though. But I do remember thinking in the last raise at 10.5, is this a time to get in? And I didn't get in. Did you?
No, unfortunately, I didn't because I'm holding options from, I believe, 3 races ago.
And what strike price is that?
45 cents.
Cool. Good luck with that.
Thanks. I'll need it.
Yeah, we're going to have to, I think, stop at that. There are heaps of movers around. It's just too hard to go through all of them. We have been told we have to keep this under 10 minutes. Otherwise, they're going to take us off the air. Greg, what's planned for the weekend?
Not much at all. Very quiet, and I'm happy about that.
We've had a very stressful week here at 180 Markets. So I'm going to hit the Peloton. I'm going to watch some TV and chill with the family. If only there was footy to watch.
No, but there is game 1, everybody, of the World Series starting at 10:09 a.m. tomorrow.
Glad about that because I won't be watching. I don't even know what sport you're talking about.
Baseball.
The only sport I know is there, Carlton, AFL. All right, everyone, have a great weekend.